This is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol GLBL. Okay, a bullish pattern formed on Friday. The green candle on Friday formed inside of the red candle that formed on Thursday of last week, and that created bullish harami reversal pattern. Bullish harami is an old Japanese word that means pregnant. As you can see, the candle fits inside the previous candle. And the key with Friday's close was this upper wick on Friday's candle. As you can see, that shows profit taking off of hive day levels. The EMA4 is currently at 254, and the close on Friday was right at 254. So that has been the key resistance level to break. Candles have been riding EMA4 resistance on the way down. So even though the share price closed up, it still failed to close above the key level. We're looking for a close above EMA4 and then a close above EMA8 to signal the start of a new uptrend. If you look back here in January on the 25th, there's a close above EMA4, and that signaled the start of this little uptrend, the last uptrend, where middle Bollinger Band failed to turn into support and the downtrend continued. So we'll be looking for out this week for bullish reversal confirmation. There were big volume spikes, as you can see, huge volume on Thursday and Friday. This lower wick on last Thursday's candle shows loading off of low day levels. But if you look up here at accumulation distribution, shaken money flow, and the money flow index, you can see here on accumulation distribution, it's been heading south and really dropped off a cliff here the last couple of days. So even though the share price was up, accumulation distribution was down, and shaken money flow was down as well, and that was reflected in the upper wick on Friday's candle. So you want to see an uptick on those indicators if you are a bull. MFI did bounce off of 20, so when you get below 20, like back here, that's an extreme level, extreme sell-off, and so this is there was a bounce off of the extreme 20 level. So we're going to want to see that hold, and bulls want to see MFI get above 50, like back here when the share price was trying to turn the middle Bollinger Band into support. Okay, let's look at the next chart. This chart's showing the 50 and 100-day moving averages, and as you can see, the 50-day moving average has been resistance. Failed to break in December, pulled back, tested in January and February, failed to break, pulled back. So if the share price does get going, that will be the target on the next rally. This is what happened the last two times it rallied. That's we look at past history to continue and repeat unless there's a change in trend. If you look at ADX, there was an uptick in plus DI, and minus DI did downtick. Plus DI is the green line, minus DI is the red line, ADX is the black line. As you can see, minus DI tick down. That shows the bulls are starting to, they haven't taken over, but they're heating up, and you can see the bears are starting to weaken. What you're looking for is, if you're a bull, you want to see the red line cross the black line to the downside, and that will be signaling more upside potential. That'll be signaling the chart is heating up. If you look back here, the last time you had a nice cross down was back in before the rally. Okay, if you look back here in January, see this candle here. There was this ADX cross down, and then bearish crossover, and then that signaled the start of this run. So that's what we're looking for. We want to see the red line cross the black line to the downside, and that's going to be a bullish indicator that the chart is heating up. If you look at Copic curve right here, you can see it's starting to hook up. Now check out what happened the last two times it started to hook up. Back here in December, started hooking up. That was the start of the new uptrend, and then right here in January started to hook, and that was the start of the uptrend. So here we go, back down at the bottom, starting to hook. Is this going to be the start of the uptrend? We'll see. It might take a couple of days to develop, but it looks like it's starting to head up. We'll see if that trend continues, if we can have this repeat process. And then you can see up here that CCI has broken back above the negative 100. When CCI gets below negative 100, it's an extreme move to the downside. As you can see before the prior runs, like back here in December, it was extreme below 100, and then the share price ended up breaking out. When you get up here above 100, that was extreme to the upside, and then the candle started going down. So here you had in January, extreme to the downside. That was followed by a move to the upside. So here we go again, extreme move to the downside. Is this going to be followed by a move to upside? We'll see. That has been the historic trend. We'll see if that trend continues. Okay, thanks for viewing this chart. If you like this information, check us out at mychartcoach.com and our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. Thank you.